Yeah, you turn, what time feeling? That you're in love with me.
Wat gaan ons doen?
Ons gaan Black Panther fliek.
Oeh, is het niet al een beetje te laat, niet?
Ons moet dit kyk vir Infinity War. So
Compromise. Shit niet.
you guys are going to cinema number 6. Yeah.
Yep. Nope. We first need to watch it before we can watch it.
But you can't bring the truth to me. You ain't nothing 'cause I ain't invite you. Or you avoid you.
Late night.
Hoe was het?
Baku.
Oh, wat heb ik slecht. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning and it is public holiday again.
Yes.
And we are at the botanical gardens. We're going for a small mini hike and then we're gonna have a picnic and yeah.
Love me when love me when love me when love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone.
Hello.
Love me when love me when
Third one.
love me when
Dat is geen volzin.
love me. He just love me. He just love me. Love me when I'm lonely.
You see, bro. Last stop.
And I'm feeling
Good morning. It is Wednesday. We had our morning prayer and for today we have English tutorial, acting. There's nobody there but she still barks. Oh, there is somebody. We have acting theory and acting practical and then later this afternoon I have some bold diva rehearsals and then we have home tonight.
was nerds. Daar was vir my daar.
Recording. Good, it's recording. Now you are live with Mornay and Alfanri. Use your theater voice.
Alfanri.
Articulate.
Alfanri.
Alfanri. Renee says she wants to take a nap.
Are we taking naps? Yes, we are.
I would. Okay.
And just as to read, I mean tweets. Of ze er net posten dat interesting.
Was nap ook.
En daar word 'n video daarvan geneem.
Nee, ek kyk movie. We are late. They are driving away for us. Please come to the front.
You guys can decide if you guys want animals or famous people. Animals! I know more animals. So who votes for animals? Akka! Who votes for famous people?
Yeah.
I think animals definitely. You can ask 3 questions at a time. Okay. You try to guess your animal first. Is it a pet? Yes. Does it bark?
Yes.
Is it a dog?
Yes.
What is engagement to you? And then I thought about rugby, and you go and they say touch, pause, engage, and it's like quite like a tough, like where the guys hit their shoulders or something. I don't know.
Yes.
No, Michael? Yeah.
It's true.
And
Good morning, it is Thursday morning. We have movement this morning as well as a speech class, and then we have rehearsals this afternoon.
another thing, like, is when I say engagement, it's like two streams meeting, like 2 waves, almost meeting and crashing.
Yeah.
And the same thing when you're like in the ocean and a wave hits you, that's like an engagement with the wave. And engagements aren't always soft and gentle. If that makes sense. Yeah. Sometimes you'll have an engagement with God and you'll be standing here and it's not comfortable. Like your spirit is wrestling and it's not a comfortable feeling. It's not a nice engagement. It's an engagement like in rugby. It's an engagement like a wave hitting you. And that's where with the next song, I want you to like push through in that engagement so that you can see the result of that engagement. So that you can come up from the water and be like, okay. Or that you can get out of that scrum and be like, okay, that was a good scrum, that was a good engagement, even though it was tough and it wasn't comfortable.
Hello! Hey! It is Friday morning. Actually,
It's actually almost lunch.
it's 1:45 lunch. And we have just finished 3 hours of
Children's theatre.
children's theatre where we basically had to decide whether you're going to be productive or you're going to chill on your phone. I did both. What did you do?
I did both too, and I started watching videos.
It's about balance, you know.
Yeah.
And then now we have off. Tolo's gonna sleep.
Yeah.
And I have rehearsals at 2 o'clock, so that's going down until 5. And then tonight I'm going to go to church to paint a canvas that is for sheep. So that's going to be pretty exciting. Wat doen ons hier vanaand?
Color coordinating.
En het is vrijdag.
Vrijdagavond.
En wat is die project hier wat ons hier zo aanpak?
#she. Photo booth.
Photo booth loading.
In ons coordinate.
Good afternoon. It is Sunday and we are on our way to church.
Yeah.
I did not take any footage yesterday because I was busy working and it was just a really busy day, which I also think is necessary to have some off time. But if you guys like the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about my classes or maybe about the prayer and the home cell that we had and the church that I'm on my way to now, you can just go on the links below, and there I will put a link on the CRC page where you can see a bit more about the church, what it's all about, and exactly the blueprint of the CRC church. And you can subscribe right here. Thanks for watching.